Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change menu settings on Wix website builder. So if you want to change the settings of your menu, so here we have a horizontal menu, right? And on here, this horizontal menu, we have manage menu. Click on that, or also you can click on here, and then we can head over here to the three dots. And from here, you can change the settings of your menu. We can hide from menu. We can change the name of this menu. Also here in layout, we can actually remove the header and the footer. So you can also here add password holders and side members. So who can access this page, everyone or with the passwords. You can set the password here, pretty cool. And now here in SEO basics, here you can actually add the title, meta description, and advanced, and actually social share. You can add an upload image here. When you share this menu, it's cool on social media to have a picture here. So yeah, I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. I really appreciate it if you find this helpful if you subscribe. Like this video, and thanks for watching.